Hello students, welcome to this YouTube channel Socio Classes. Today we are going to discussing most important short questions for political science students BA second semester. These questions are: first question is explain the meaning of authority, and second, write down the two important characteristics of legitimacy, and third is describe the meaning of political culture, and fourth is mention two differences between power and authority, and fifth is what are rights, and sixth, describe the two basic principles of the UN Declaration of Human Rights, and next, what do you mean by environment? Eighth question, discuss the main effects of air pollution, and next, write down the meaning of liberty, and 10th is how liberty is protected in a modern state, and 11th is what do you mean by economic dimension of justice, and next question is what do you mean by democratic government, and next, write down any four characteristics of government, and 14th, what is the dictatorship of proletariat according to Marxist, and 15th, why democracy is known as the government of the rich, and 16th is write down two definitions of power, and 17th is what is national power, and next, write down two kinds of legitimacy, and next, what do you mean by duties, and next, write down four characteristics of human rights, and next, what is the significance of 10th December, and next question, what do you mean by ozone layer, and next question, write down four characteristics of equality, and next question, write down four characteristics ensure legal equality, and next question, write down four modes of social change, and next, what are Marxist views of democracy, and 27th, write down four differences between Marxist and liberal democracy, and 28th is write two characteristics of legitimacy, and next question is write four duties of a citizen, and next, what do you mean by negative liberty, and next question, what do you understand by classless society of Marx, and next question, who are the political elite according to elitist theory of democracy, and next question, write four safeguards of liberty, and next, what do you mean by dictatorship of proletariat, and next, what do you mean by direct democracy, and next question, what do you mean by national power, and next question, rights and duties are co-related, do you agree, and next question, which theory of democracy has been propounded by Pareto and Mosca, and next question, write down the importance of legitimacy, and next question, what do you mean by human rights, and next, write down any four legal duties, and next, what do you mean by justice, and next, write down the meaning of equality, and next, what do you mean by democratic government, and next question, write down the meaning of elite, and next question, what do you mean by secularization of political culture, and next question, what do you mean by charismatic power, and next, what is the origin of the word authority, What is the meaning of the structural legitimacy? And next question, write down 4 characteristics of political culture. And next, what do you mean by latent political socialization? And next, write down the meaning of fundamental rights. And next question, when the Universal Declaration of Human Rights was adopted by United Nations? And next question, what is the nature of Universal Declaration of Human Rights? And next question, what is the origin of the word duty? And next, what do you mean by the elitist theory of democracy? And next question is, what do you mean by power? And next question, write down 2 features of political culture. And next question, write down any 4 safeguards of rights. And next, what do you mean by national liberty? And next question, what is legal dimension of justice? And next question, write down any 4 conditions necessary for the success of democracy. And next question, write down any 4 features of socialist democracy. And next question, write down any 4 features of political socialization. And next, write down any 2 types of political culture. And next question, what do you mean by manifest political socialization? And next question, write down political rights of the citizens. And next, what is the importance of 10th December? And next question, what do you mean by social equality? And next question, write down any 4 kinds of liberty. And next, what is the origin of the word justice? And next, define elitist theory of democracy. With this, we come to the end of today's video. Next time, we shall discuss another lecture. Till then, goodbye and thanks for watching this video.